In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event in Facebook so that people in your local area, when they go to what's going on in my area, will see your local event. There's actually an article on how to do this, and if you want to make sure that you're up to date on the newest steps, because sometimes Facebook changes, you want to come and check out this article, How Do I Create or Edit an Event. So you can just Google it, and that's how I found it. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Facebook, and on the left hand side under Explore, you're going to click on Events right there. This is going to take you to all the local events in your area. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Create Event. Now you see this little drop down right there? You can click on that and you can choose private or public. So I'm going to go ahead and create a public event. Now over here, this is where you're going to select your page. If you choose the page that you want to be the host of the event. So if you're a real estate agent, you can choose your page here. I happen to manage a lot of pages, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose my page in this case. But whatever your page is, you're going to choose this. If you're a bar or restaurant, you can choose your page. You should only see the pages that you manage in this list. Basic info. So this is the information that you're going to put about the event. So in here, you can change your photo or video. Click this and choose a photo. So let's say I want to have, I don't have a photo actually that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick any photo. It doesn't really matter. So you want to upload your photo. Your event name, you could put Dragon Queens playing live at your site needs me. And then location, you're going to put your address. So wherever it is. And frequency. If this is reoccurring, they're there every week, you want to put weekly. If you want to do custom, you can. Or you can just do occurs once. Then you want to put the date and time. So we'll say it's Friday at 6 p.m. and it ends Friday at 10. Now we're going to go ahead and select a category, dance, and come see Dragon Queens play live at your site needs me. This cover band plays all of your favorite songs and takes requests. Keywords, band or dance. Let's see. Dance pop, bar. Just go ahead and type in if there is use any keywords that are relative to your event. If it's kid friendly, you're going to check on kid friendly. But whatever keywords are going to be in here, you'll see results. So let's see. Drama, theater, live, band. Type in whatever you want here. It doesn't really matter. Messaging. You want people to be able to message you about this event over Facebook. I highly suggest you turn this on. If you're selling tickets, like on Eventbrite, you can put the link to the tickets right there. If, let's say, the band has a page, you could put them in here. So let's pretend that I have a I can do Brenda as my co-host, or I could do a band, Cogswell and Johnson. So yeah, let's pretend like I actually did Cogswell and Johnson, right? Then I could tag them in here as well. If I want to allow anybody to post to this, then they can go ahead and post. Anyone can post. Reported posts and story items must be approved. Anyone can post. All posts must be approved. Only hosts can post. You have to choose which one of these you want and display the guest list. This is actually great for allowing people to see if their friends are going or interested. So you want to create that. And then when you're done, you're going to come over here and click create, or you can schedule it. So this allows you to schedule upcoming events without having them be live yet, but have it announced on a certain date. So you can schedule it, or you can just save it as a draft. And if you save it as a draft, then you can come back and edit it later. So maybe you want to add the event, but you want to come back and put the artwork in. So a little bit later. So nobody will see it until it's live. So this is how you're going to add an event. And if you want to edit it, you're going to come over here to events the same way. You'll see your events here. And once you click on it, you can click here and click on edit. And then edit all of the items in it. And when you're ready, you can publish it. You can also schedule it if you want, or delete it. So that's how you're going to create an event. And then when people go to their events or they pop up in their newsfeed, it'll show your event. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero yeah. Pull. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah.